Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at some hybrid active noise cancelling headphones by SuperEQ model S1. I have the black ones here, but they are also available in white. These were very kindly sent to me by the manufacturer. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick these up. Before we get started, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated and subscribe to watch more reviews. Some information on the box: SuperEQ S1 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones, 24 months warranty with these. Be young, be free. This is everything that was included inside the box. You get an aux cable, so if you don't want to listen to Bluetooth or if your battery's about to die out, you do have the option to use this. Micro USB charging cable. If you want to use the headphones on an aeroplane, you'll need this. Some paperwork, instruction manual and register and stuff. Come with the bag, that's got some branding there. It's a string bag. Onto the headphones. They do have a nice solid feel. They're not heavy and they're not light as well. They do have a good feel to them. I really like the colour. On the left cup you've got your SuperEQ branding on that side. Be young there. The top's all plastic. Be free. That's metal in there, the hinges. Got one on that side as well. S1 branding. Can you see that? Yeah. S1 branding on the inside. The cups are made out of protein leather. They are comfortable. I've had them on for 2 hours straight, no issues at all. L on that side, R on that side. This top part here, it is padded, but there's not much padding. So if you've got less to no hair, maybe after a few hours it'll start bothering you. It might do, it might not. But they are marketed towards the young audience. That's why it says be free, be young. They only move that way. They do fold. That's good. All the controls are on the right ear cup. You've got your music up, track forward. The middle one, that's where you turn them on off from. Play, pause, answer a call. And this bottom one down here, volume down or previous track. And if you can see there, they've got like these raised bits. So the volume forward one, that's got 2. The on off has got a circle and this one's got 1. You can't miss the buttons once you get used to them. They're really easy to navigate around. I've used headphones that haven't had the raised parts and it does get difficult at times, but with these it was really easy. The buttons do make a clicking sound. Again, I'm fine with that because I know I've made a choice. What else I've noticed is because with some of the other headphones, when you use them and you want to just turn the volume up, it accidentally skips the track. But with this, it doesn't happen. Once you turn the volume up, you turn the volume up. And of course, when you're really high, it will let you know that the volume is really high. Oh, there, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That's the light stay on white, and once it goes into pairing mode, they do pair fast because, of course, it's Bluetooth 5.0. Next to that, it's got a single raised part there. That's the ANC button. When you're using the ANC, if you push it once, it'll go into normal ANC. When you push it again, it'll go into ambient ANC. To take the ANC off, you have to hold it down for a few seconds. ANC, that works okay. I mean, the ANC is not like it'll cut everything out. If you're in a car with the engine running, it'll cut that out, and if there's loads of people around you talking, it will help reduce that. And of course, if you want to hear something, put it on the ambient on the second one. But like if you're out jogging or cycling, I would advise use the ambient one because you don't want the sound to be totally quiet around you when you're cycling or you're jogging, because that can be dangerous, of course. That's the 3.5mm jack, charging port and microphone. At the top on each ear cup, it's got the noise cancelling microphones there. And that's what the left cup looks like from the bottom. These headphones do also have a multi-port option where you could pair 2 devices at the same time. So say you've got your laptop on and then you've got your mobile phone, you could go from one to the other. But what I've noticed is when, just say my mobile is the primary device, when I switch over to my laptop, it'll be okay. But when I switch over from my laptop back to my mobile, there's a slight delay there, a couple of seconds. When I'm switching over from the primary device to the other device, there hasn't been any issues there. Battery life is really good. I've been listening to them for 5 days now, and I mean like 2 hours here, 1 hour there, and so far I have not needed to charge them. I can't comment on the 40 hours battery life. For me, they've been okay. Bluetooth range has been absolutely good for me. I've left the phone in one room, I've gone to different rooms, I've tried moving back forth, they didn't cut out, the music carried on playing. Audio video sync, perfect. Making calls, receiving calls, no issues there. I've had them on for 2 hours straight, haven't given me no ear pain at all. If you do have a big head you might find these a bit difficult because they don't stretch as much. The bass quality is really good. They're nice and bassy, so if you like a lot of bass, you'll definitely like these. Mids and highs are there as well. I've listened to different genres of music. They've been really good. The only one slight little complaint I have, they don't get really loud. You know, sometimes when you're in the mood where you want to just push the music really loud, they don't get really loud. It's not a deal breaker, they do get loud, I mean just not really loud. The audio quality is really nice, it's crisp, clear, no distortion at all. I think for the price you can't go wrong with these. At the time of recording they was under £50. I'll link them down below. If you've got any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I hope this video has helped someone. If it has, give it a like. Do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.